घुमा चढ़ाकर एक ही सवाल आता है कि आप किसके विरुद्ध हैं। हम लोग अपने लोगों के पक्ष में हैं। हमेशा किसी के विरुद्ध फाइट करके आप राजनीति करेंगे तो विरोधी रहेंगे। हम अपने लोगों के हित के लिए बात करना चाहते हैं और मुझे लगता है और हमें लगता है कि अगर हम अपने लोगों के लिए, if we speak for our people with conviction, honesty and truth, we do not have to necessarily fight with everyone. We are one country, we are one nation, we may have different points of view, but we are not at civil war. And I think what Northeast needs today is articulation and cohesiveness. And for that, this entity is being formed. As Conrad Sangmaji has said before, efforts have been made to create platforms. But we feel that if we come as one, then our unity will be stronger. And if we are united, we will be able to speak in a manner which will be heard by the opposition in this country and the center in this country. But we are not here to pick up fights with anyone. We are here to fight for our rights in a proper manner.
Regarding this matters, I don't want to give any comments. Everybody has the liberty and everybody has the liberty, so they can do whatever they like. So in that case, I should not comment. This is their opinion, this is their desire, so they can do whatever they like. Indigenous peoples, our main target is to develop the indigenous people.